Here we are at Jawahar Lake Tourism Complex, that is the Forest Department Deer Park. You can see here Monday holiday, and entry fees is 10 rupees, sorry 15 rupees, 10 for kids. And this is the ticket counter and office. And here we are walking inside. So you can see a pristine green environment, do's and don'ts, what you can do and what you are not supposed to do. So this is a path towards Deer Park. There is a kids play area here, you can see inside. Well maintained and plastic free environment, so you are not supposed to carry any plastic or dump the waste here. So this is kids play area, an ideal location for weekend getaway and enjoyment. So here we are moving out of play area towards Deer Park. Also you can see a watchtower here. There is a step provided. You can hear a lot of birds chirping around. So pretty cool and calm environment. So you can see some deers there. So here you can see deer in their natural habitat. This park is very close to Shamirpet Lake, which is quite big and can be seen from Karimnagar highway too. So the park is quite close, hardly half a kilometer from Karimnagar highway. You have to take a left turn from Shamirpet bus stand area. So here we will walk close by. So you can see a lot of deer population. So these are some of the viewpoints, I can say, though it is not a organized one. You can have a closer look towards the deer population, what is maintained here. So on the far probably you can see. So artificial water bodies are maintained so that deer can drink water, especially in summer it will be pretty hot here. So let's move around. So here you can get a better view. Probably if I number around 25 deers are seen here. So here we are going to watchtower, a small watchtower built, and a table is there, so you can go around having a wonderful view of the scenic beauty around. Though you cannot see deer population from here, but a lot of bird chirping sounds, cool and calm environment will give you a better feeling. So this is the park. Let's go around. So there is a small walk path. So there are a lot of forest department gates locked here. Better not to venture inside, as it is locked for the safety of public, I can say. So here you can see a lot of butterfly population. What is seen in this area, it's listed here. So pretty interesting one for science students, I can say. So here you can see the path towards Deer Park. So there is some guest house kind of thing here, not maintained well. Of course, for staying option there is one Hotel Harita next to this, so that has access to even Shamirpet Lake also, and Deer Park here. So here you can see the path going towards deer enclosure. There you can see lot of deers roaming around. So here as we walk inside the Jawahar Lake Tourism Complex, Shamirpet, so you can hear a lot of birds chirping, and occasionally peacock also can be seen, or sound can be heard. So here you can see deer population scattered around. So this is popularly called as flame of the forest or Beautia monosperma botanically. Also you can see a lot of jars are kept for bird feed. So normally some grains will be filled in, and down there is a plate where the seeds keep falling, so birds can eat it comfortably. Many are seen like that in this park. So here you can see many more, and some hanging pots. And there is a photo area where you have to insert the face from backside. And photo can be clicked. One is monkey, another one is lion. So then here there is a small garden kind of thing made out for tulsi and other medicinal plants. Okay, you can hear as a lot of bird chirping. Very cool and clean environment, maintained well.